Hi, welcome to Waste Free with Kate. This is a little video about my waste free living workshops. Another fun workshop. I love doing these workshops because it's really a story about from when I went from being really bad with waste to now being quite good. I'll never be perfect, I never claim to be perfect, but I like to help people make some better decisions. Waste free living is relevant to all households. You learn about what happens to your waste, where it goes and why you should care. It's quite fun, quite interesting, quite fascinating, a bit of a tearjerker with some people. It has got lots of information in the first part to educate, and in the second part, the fun part, is where you get to see lots of different products that are around that you can use to help reduce waste in your home. I don't sell anything, so it's never a Tupperware party. It is just straight out education. But we have lots of councils that work with us, and what they do is give you a cool little pack to take home, which we call an incentive pack or a goodie bag. So generally they're worth around $100. They are fantastic little packs. At the moment, I'm just going to give you an idea of what you might get in your pack, because it does change a little bit every now and then, and we are working on some new products at the moment to include in them. But just to give you an idea of what a $100 pack would look like, let's show you. So this little pack here, you get a couple of beeswax wraps. So these are fantastic for storing food and reducing plastic use in your house, especially your plastic wraps. You get a couple of reusable produce bags, so fantastic for reducing little plastic shopping bags when you're out doing your grocery shopping. We also have reusable food pouches, which you can use to put your kids' yogurt and things in. Stops you buy it in bulk, put it in the pouch. They can take it to school as a squeezy pouch and just wash it over and over again. We also throw in a couple of reusable menstrual products. Huge drive at the moment, you might have seen on the media, for people to try reusable menstrual products. Save you a fortune, so lovely to use. We're also working on putting in toothbrushes this year, so bamboo toothbrushes, so you can compost the toothbrush part, and then you just actually throw away the little bristles. So we're looking at getting those in there, and stainless steel straws as well is another one that we're going to be putting in this year. And then of course you get my cool little waste-free parenting or waste-free living pack, and this here is for storing your onions and potatoes in, to help them store better for a longer period of time. So you'll learn lots about products like this. I show you so many things in the workshop, it will blow your mind. It's lots of fun, it's a bit of a life changer, but I hope that you can come along. Doesn't matter whether you're 10 or 99, it's relevant to everybody, and you'll get some cool stuff to take home and some information that will change your life. So I hope to see you at one of my workshops soon. If you want to find out how to book, just go to the workshops tab on my website and you'll find where we're running the workshops in the coming months. That's it from me. I'll see you next time.